Hey guys, I'm Farhat and today we are going to rotate a video from portrait mode to landscape mode or rotating a vertical video into horizontal in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. To be honest, this was so easy, but I had to search how to do it online. So to rotate it, let's first export one vertical video into our project. This video is taken from my mobile and I don't want to post it this way on my YouTube channel. As you can see, our entire frame is vertical. So first, we will set our sequence right. Go to sequence settings and change the dimensions of the frame to 1920 and 1080. Once done, hit enter. Okay. Now you can see my video is vertical, but I have my sequence correct. Now select the video you want to rotate and go to Effect Control. If you don't see Effect Control here or here, then go to Window and enable the Effect Control. Inside Effect Control, under Video section, there is this key called Rotate. You have to give the value as -90. Tada, it's done. As you can see, our video has been rotated and the sequence looks correct. Now you can do your required changes and export it for your YouTube channel. I know, right? Very simple and useful. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my video and I hope this was useful.